Alright, hello everyone. So today we are going to try drawing Mickey Mouse. Let's go ahead and start with this nose. Just an oval with a highlight right over here. So let's draw another oval and let's just go ahead and blacken that now. Blacken his nose. Okay, next let's go ahead and draw a line right above the nose here to indicate the top of his snout here, I guess. Alright, from here we're gonna go up with a long oval, starting with his left eye, his right eye. Go up quite far and back, touching that line. And we'll do the same on this side. Go up quite a bit and back down. And then we'll draw his pupils down here. Again, oval shape with a highlight on the left side, upper left, just like the nose. And here on the left side as well. Okay, that's his eye. So now we're gonna draw these curves around the eyes on both sides, starting from this dot right here, ending pretty much level with this line here, right here. Okay, so we're gonna go up around the eye, down here. So starting at this dot, go up around the eye and stop there. And we'll do the same on the other side, meeting right here. Okay, so we'll go up, curve around the eye and down here. Let me pull this down a bit. Okay, so now let's go ahead and draw his mouth. It's gonna come from here over to here, just a nice U shape. So go down and over, and then from here to here we'll draw the opening of his mouth. This tighter U, and then his tongue, couple curves like that. And let's go ahead and blacken the inside of his mouth. Okay, so far so good. Let's draw a cheek line right here around his smile, and then we'll draw his chin right under here. So another curve parallel to that line. Okay, so from here we're gonna go around the cheek, around the mouth, to meet just on the inside of this, the end of this line. Actually, let's continue this line a little bit further, like that. Okay, so from here, go around the cheek here, around the mouth, and meeting right there. And we'll do the same over here. We're gonna come out and back right there. So come out and back. All right, now let's draw the outside of his head here. Starting here, we're gonna come out and meet the cheek. So up here, actually let's go right here, pretty much touching that line and to the cheek. And we'll do the same here. Come out, touching that line, come out and meet that. Okay, so let's go ahead and blacken this fill this in with black. And at the top here, and on the right. Alright, now let's get to the part you've been waiting for. His ears. I've seen these ears drawn as a perfect circle, and we can do that, but who can draw a perfect circle, right? So the ear's gonna be basically right here. So there's our target, and we'll draw a circle. And if you like it, great, but this is gonna be black, so you can refine it as many times as you wish. You can always make it bigger, can't make it smaller. And then let's do the other side. So again, we're gonna target that dot as the outer part of the circle, and just gonna kind of do it roughly here. Okay, that looks smaller, so I'm gonna go a little bit bigger to better match the other ear. Refine that curve out a little bit. Okay. Let's see, maybe a little bit even bigger. And now I'm gonna go ahead and blacken that in. Alright, so now let's go ahead and get to his body here. First we're gonna draw his feet. So let's just draw a foot here. Draw an upside down U. Okay, and then we're gonna curve this one in, outward I mean, a bit, and then curve down. Here we're going to continue this up outside of that line, because we're going to give them heels. Okay, connect those two, and then draw a curved line to that line, and then give that heel some thickness right there, and another line just like that. Alright, let's give the shoe some thickness. Come out and then start going parallel, and then get closer and connect just like that. Okay, Let me just pull this down again. There we go. We can see all of them a little better. And we'll do the same on this side. So again, we'll draw an upside down U over here, come out, and then here we're gonna curve it in and then out and draw the heel. Again, we're gonna finish outside of that line and connect them. Okay. All right, let's draw the heel, come up and stop right there and draw a line that's parallel to this, and then give it some thickness and give it some thickness here on the side. All right, let's give the shoe some thickness by coming out more or less parallel and then connecting to the bottom. Okay, now let's draw his butt here. Just a U, shallow U curve here, and then short lines toward the shoe. Okay, and then we're gonna draw a curved line for the bottom of his pants, like that. Kind of missed that a bit there. Same here, curve. Okay, and then his leg will actually be coming out here, so we'll go ahead and draw a line just inside. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is draw a curve right here. Actually, let's draw the upper part of his leg first, an indication of it with a line right there and a line right here. Okay, now we can draw the top of his pants. So from here to here. Okay, here we go. Draw a curve across, and then he's got a couple white buttons right here, so we'll draw a couple ovals there and there. Okay, so let's draw his body coming up and coming up, and then his arms are gonna come out here, so just like that. And on the other side. Okay, so now let's draw his hands. Are actually, so he's like sitting on his butt here and his hands are back here. So let's draw his right hand here first. Let's just draw an indication of his finger with a curve, and then another finger just behind it, and another one that's shorter, so we'll just go in like that. Do the same thing on this side. Come out, curve back in. The middle finger is gonna stick out further, and then a third finger goes in. All right, so let's just draw an indication of his tail. So let's do it up over here. So we're basically gonna just draw an S shape. So from here, S, and we're gonna make that a little bit thicker as we go closer, just like that. All right, so let's just go ahead and darken his body here. So we want to keep this line, so just right next to it we'll leave a sliver of white, just like that, and then blacken the rest. And we'll do the same here, where we leave a slight sliver of white and blacken his arm and the rest of his body here. Okay, he's wearing red pants, so his leg here is black, So just this part here, this part right here is his pants. That's still red. Okay. And finally, you know what? Let's leave it at that. That's Mickey Mouse. Thanks for watching. That was a little bit longer, but take your time and enjoy.